Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today it's Taco Tuesday and we are doing the best marinated grilled fajitas. And I'm talking chicken, I am talking steak, I am talking tenderness, flavor, so good, wrapped up in a tortilla, and the party has started. And this recipe will be found under my homemade recipe playlist. Let's go. So I'm starting with some flap steak and some chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I got from Aldi. And I'm gonna use some roasted garlic seasoning, cumin, some chili powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, brown sugar, which is optional, pepper, soy sauce, vegetable oil, some Cajun seasoning, and liquid smoke. So I add brown sugar because I like that little bit of caramelization you get from the grill, but you guys can do whatever, omit or add whatever you want. So while I mix up my rub, I'm gonna go ahead and ask you guys to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to those who already have. I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm gonna add my oil, which is gonna create a paste, okay? So if you rather have a looser marinade, you can add some broth or water, or pineapple juice would be really good, or beer. But I like a paste, and I'm gonna do a rub on my meat, and I'm gonna add them just to a little Ziploc, and I'm gonna let these set overnight. So again, if you want a looser marinade, you can. For the steak, I am going to add just some soy sauce in addition to the rub, just to make sure that it doesn't dry out. And then at a minimum, I would recommend 4 hours on a marinade, but overnight it's just going to intensify that flavor. And there you go. So next day, room temperature, so that you have even cooking and onto your grill. I also had, you see, a little foil packet of some peppers, and y'all, so delicious, you guys. And the smokiness that is coming from this grill, oh, and look at those peppers. Go ahead and throw those on there. Intensifies the flavor again. That smell, oh y'all, we had the neighborhood knocking on the door. I promise y'all, it was so good. And then you got those grill marks from that caramelized sugar. Y'all, and here you go. You got your tender veggies, your meat is in there. All you need is just a little squeeze of lime, and Taco Tuesday is on, y'all. So hope you guys try this recipe out. Please do, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, I release videos every single week. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.